Om Gam Ganpate Namaha. Welcome to my channel Vedic Astrology explaining the Vedic science. Today we will be talking about Jupiter or Brihaspati in Vedic astrology. So let's get started. See, Jupiter or Brihaspati was the son of sage Angira, who was the priest of the demigods. He was capable of accomplishing the sacred rituals or yagnas undertaken by demigods amidst certain odds against them. The demons created all sorts of troubles for the demigods and wanted them to starve with hunger. In this story, of a situation, Jupiter could invent powerful mantras and save the demigods from demons who used to run away from Jupiter. Jupiter did rigorous prayers to Lord Shiva, and the Lord became extremely pleased with him. Lord Shiva blessed Jupiter with a boon and made him a preceptor of demigods as well as a planet too. Jupiter is a person who puts all his energy, awareness, and observation to understand the world and wants to have a first hand report himself. He does not depend on others' information. He makes endless efforts to gain knowledge from all different sources available to him. He does not shy away to obtain knowledge or secrets from anybody if it is worthwhile. The total personality of Jupiter is developed by tapping on different sources, places, and understanding the intricacies of each and every subject. In the Rig Veda, Brihaspati appears as a deity of divine eloquence and cosmic order, the voice through which sacred wisdoms enters the world. He is associated with Vak, the goddess of sacred speech, which connects him directly to the transmission of knowledge. We are reminded of a beautiful anecdote which might throw some light on the character of Jupiter. There was a saint who stayed on a small mountain near a village. Many villagers wanted to be his disciples and would go and seek his blessings. To their surprise, the saint would take out his staff and chase them off from the small mountain. The villagers thought the saint had a foul temper or was mad, and therefore they stopped visiting him at all. After 20 years, one fine morning, the saint made an announcement in the village through his cook that whosoever wanted to become his disciple and learn the art could visit him anytime. Most of the villagers were not interested in him, but there were 4 people who decided to go and see him. The saint told them the ultimate truth, and the persons became overwhelmed by his knowledge and his love and affection for them. One of these persons told the saint that they almost treated him like an outcast in the village because he was lame and his other friend was blind, and the third person's wife had left him and he was still living in past memories. The fourth person suffered from leprosy. They said, "We are not the right persons for this sort of knowledge." Though there was a time when many knowledgeable people and seekers were keen to become your disciples, but you always chased them off. The saint replied, "When these great people wanted to become my disciples, I did not know the truth myself, but I did not want to reveal this, and therefore I had no choice but to use my staff." The saint said, "As a matter of fact, I was incomplete and at the learning stage myself. Today, it does not matter whether you are knowledgeable or illiterate. I have something to share with whosoever comes close to me." He finally concluded that a tree is not bothered whether his fruit is eaten by a saint or a sinner. Jupiter is also called Guru in Sanskrit. The area of knowledge is extremely vast and it cannot be demarcated. For the sake of simplification, knowledge can be divided into two: knowledge of the world and a particular wisdom to do justice to the worldly knowledge. The other knowledge is to know thyself. To seek worldly knowledge, Jupiter needed to acquire all the knowledge of the world and go deep within himself to get enlightenment. The dependence of disciples or seekers is so immense on the Guru that he does not like it if his curiosity is not put to rest forever. Finally, we can say that Jupiter was the guru of demigods, who themselves were claimants to great knowledge and wisdom. Hence, Brihaspati or Jupiter was highly knowledgeable and was able to guide the demigods as he was given a boon and blessed by Lord Shiva. Thank you for listening till the end of the video. If you like the content of my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to it. Om Namah Shivaya.